All right, what I'd like to show you today is something that has come up in several of the motorhome groups that we belong to, and that's been the stairway that is in a lot of Class A's, the one that come out in the middle, especially where you've got a pass through the coach itself. The stairwell itself is fairly deep, and there are some people that have tripped into it. That can break your door. It can definitely break part of your body. So I'm going to show you my simple solution to that. Unfortunately, it's something I've already built before I started to come on YouTube here. So I'm going to show you the completed project. Herein lies the problem, that deep, very deep stairwell. The one on our previous coach wasn't this deep, and our travel trailer definitely didn't have a stairwell. You had to actually step outside to start going down it. So we'll show you our quick solution to this. And this is our completed solution in place. A simple 3/4 inch piece of plywood, a little recessed hook so that you can, or you don't step on it or trip over it should you actually step that way. And I'll show you the construction of it now. This is the working side back here. You can see the recessed hook from the back. You can see the stopper and the other stopper that we have put in there so it doesn't shift. We have also purchased these little rubber feet that you can see right here that simply come from the caster section, I think it was, at Lowe's. And that's so if it's sliding around on the floor when you're driving down the road, it doesn't scar anything up. So I'll show you that in place again. There you have it. The one stop was to prevent it from shifting this way. The other one was to stop it from shifting in when it's vibrating around. And the rubber feet protect it all the way around when it's sitting there on the ground. Now this is just a simple 3/4 inch piece of plywood. I have made it to be covered with polyurethane so you don't get splinters. But it's not made to be walked on. It's not part of your floor. It's just there for safety to catch you. If you really want to walk on it, you will need to add supports right in the very middle. This right here is where we store the cover to the stairwell when we're not traveling. We just keep it out of the way of everything. And you've got to make sure anyway when you're parked, if you're not using it, that it stays out of the way of the arm of the bed rail or any other object you might have coming down. Simple little storage area out of the way. All right, that was just a simple solution to what is really a simple problem. But like I said, we've seen it in several motorhome groups. So I first off didn't even want to make this. I thought it would have been something that Thor or Camping World would have offered, but I could not find it anywhere I looked. So I simply built it out of a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Probably one of the easiest things I've done since it's just basically a square piece of wood to fit into a square hole. So if you like it, please let me know. And also let me know in the comments if you got any questions. And please subscribe. Thanks, and see you out there.